Do you want this?
Then this video is for you. So I was watching all these influencers in TikTok.
Literally, all you're going to do is just pick up a section of hair, wrap it around, and add more hair each time you wrap.
They were getting this beautiful wavy hair and I was like, I need that because honestly, I can't normally do that. My hair is so long that honestly, nothing lasts on it. So I had to try it. I honestly wanted to get something that will not damage my hair. So I found this.
And should look like this.
Today, we're trying it. Let's go. Guys, it's late at night. As you can see, dark outside. But I wanted to do this at night because I want to leave it overnight and see if it works. This is honestly a cheaper version of it, so I don't know how it's going to go. So this is how it looks. Pretty. Oh, it comes with the scrunchies too, so cool. I believe that everybody makes this look super easy and after it's going to be difficult. And guys, look at my hair length. Like, this is long. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. So apparently you put it here. I don't tell you what I look like. So apparently you just need to get the small sections and twist them. Another section. Let's do this. Look at my face, guys. I'm so ready to go to bed. Let's go this side. I look like a scary doll. I don't know if this is going to stay all night long. Guys, I'm going to sleep like this. Let's see how I look in the morning. See you tomorrow. Guys, good morning. I look crazy. It's still the night. I don't really know what to say about this look today. At least stayed overnight, which is positive. But let me put some makeup on and we will do this. Just give me 2 minutes. Makeup is on, guys. I hope you like it. I'm going to a work conference, so it is something simple. Look at this, the sun is coming up. Oh my god, I better hurry up. I look so crazy, guys. Let's see how it goes. Let's do this side first. If it doesn't look good, what I'm going to do? Looks like it's coming. Oh, look at that. Love that. Ooh. It's coming, it's coming. Ah! That's so cool. Voila, I have curly hair. That's so beautiful. Let's see the other one. And take it off. I mean, I don't think it's perfect, but it's my first time trying it, so I don't think it's that bad. I don't know how this works. I think I like it, guys. I need to try it again, but I think I like it and I approve it, so thank you, God. I'm going to give it some help. I give it an 8 out of 10. I think if I try a few more times, it's going to be a 10 out of 10. But let's see if this curls hold because my hair is heavy and long. I don't know. But thank you very much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you next time. Bye!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay, all I want